For more than 2 decades, Wi-Fi has optimized the use of available unlicensed spectrum to deliver efficient and reliable connectivity in the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. With connectivity demands growing steadily, many countries are making portions of the 6 GHz unlicensed band available for Wi-Fi, providing more expansive spectrum with uncongested bandwidth and 7 super wide channels to deliver multi-gigabit, low-latency Wi-Fi. 6 GHz unlicensed spectrum presents tremendous opportunity for Wi-Fi innovation, and Wi-Fi Alliance is rapidly delivering its benefits with Wi-Fi 6E. Wi-Fi 6E identifies Wi-Fi devices that operate in 6 GHz, extending the high-efficiency features and capabilities of Wi-Fi 6 into the 6 GHz spectrum to deliver the full potential of Wi-Fi 6 performance. Wi-Fi 6E offers up to 7 super-wide 160 MHz channels to deliver high-throughput connections with lower latency, supporting proliferation of Wi-Fi devices and next-generation use cases. Wi-Fi 6E unleashes the benefits of 6 GHz. Some of the key applications that will benefit include unified communications, cloud computing, AR, VR, and telepresence. Certification as part of Wi-Fi Certified 6 is available for Wi-Fi 6E products and helps ensure devices operating in 6 GHz deliver state-of-the-art WPA3 security and worldwide interoperability. As the number of Wi-Fi devices continues to grow and users demand reliable connectivity in more locations, Wi-Fi Alliance remains at the forefront of the ever-evolving security landscape to ensure Wi-Fi networks deliver the highest level of data protection. The latest generation of Wi-Fi security in the Wi-Fi Protected Access family of technologies is Wi-Fi Certified WPA3. WPA3 advancements deliver state-of-the-art security protocols for the critical connectivity infrastructure of personal and enterprise networks. WPA3 simplifies Wi-Fi security for users and network managers, enables more robust authentication, and provides increased cryptographic strength for sensitive data markets. WPA3 Enterprise is particularly well-suited for large-scale Wi-Fi networks of governments, corporations, or other highly sensitive environments, ensuring consistent application of security protocols and offering 192-bit minimum strength security and cryptographic tools to protect data. WPA3 Personal delivers robust protections to individuals and personal networks by improving Wi-Fi encryption, protecting from password guessing attempts, and securing data even if the password is compromised, without changing the way users connect. Wi-Fi security also protects users in open networks with Wi-Fi Certified Enhanced Open, preserving the convenience of networks that don't require a password, while delivering data encryption and reducing risks associated with unsecured Wi-Fi network access. The best way to ensure devices support the latest in Wi-Fi security is for users and network managers to purchase Wi-Fi certified products, ensuring they meet industry-agreed standards for interoperability and include WPA3.